Hey, it's Abdul Hanan. If you're watching this, you're looking to grow your money. Today, I'm showing you 3 powerful trading strategies with pocket option. Whether you're new or experienced, these strategies can help maximize profits and minimize risk. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about Pocket Option. It's an online trading platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders. They offer a demo account to practice without risking real money. Pocket Option isn't just easy to use. It offers high returns if you play your cards right. They provide all the tools and resources you need to succeed. From charts to educational materials, they've got you covered. Let's dive into our first strategy, trend following. It's about identifying market direction and riding that wave to potential profits. Think of it like surfing. Catch the wave at the right time. Use charts and indicators like the moving average to identify trends. When the price is above the moving average, it's likely an upward trend. Below the moving average suggests a downward trend. The trend is your friend, so learn to identify it and trade accordingly. Our second strategy, support and resistance levels. Identify price levels where the market struggles to break through. Support levels act as a floor, resistance levels as a ceiling. Look for previous highs and lows on the chart. Buy near support levels, sell near resistance levels. These levels aren't always precise, but give a good idea of market reversals. Our third strategy, the reversal strategy. Identify moments when the market is about to change direction. Look for candlestick formations like the hammer or shooting star. Indicator signals like RSI showing overbought or oversold conditions can signal reversals. Be patient and wait for high probability reversal signals. Timing is everything when it comes to reversals. Capitalize on those shifts in momentum. Let's see these strategies in action with a demo walkthrough. We'll use the demo account to simulate real-time trades. Identify a trend using moving averages. Look for entry and exit points based on support and resistance levels. Watch for any reversal signals that might present themselves. Before we wrap up, let's talk about risk management. It's crucial to manage your risk properly to avoid losing money. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Use proper trade sizes. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Risk no more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Preserve your capital and grow it steadily over time. There you have it, 3 powerful trading strategies for Pocket Option. Never stop learning, refine your strategies, and always manage your risk. Head over to Pocket Option, open a demo account, and start practicing. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try. Trading can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and tools, anyone can learn. Empower yourself to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Start small, experiment, and learn from your mistakes. The biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Let's build financial freedom together.